Hi guys. Oh, today we're catching little trout in this small stream. So guys, this place I'm fishing is just like a wee little stream that is apparently loaded with brook trout, and I was like, okay, well, I got a pole. Like, why not fish from, you know? So I'm gonna just over here just giving her an angle, you know. Yeah. Get back to fishing. Oh, got one. Oh, here we go. Yes, sir. Look at this. Nice, healthy little Sunny. Okay, chill. Nice, healthy little brook trout. Hey, let go. Pretty little fella. Did I forget the bait over there? Yes, sir, I did. That is affirmative. Okay. Gotta go back there and grab the bait. So guys, basically my rig here is I just got some grasshoppers that are dead. Oh, here we go. And like basically all I got on my line is just this size 14 treble hook, and then I'm just giving her one of these. Yeah, there we go. She's all ready to fish. Right there. Yes, sir. Oh, got him. Oh no. He dropped it twice. Oh, is he on? Oh, yep, he's on. Oh my goodness. This is like instant action here. Here we go. Okay. Jimothy. Ooh, can I still use the same grasshopper? We'll release you up here so you don't go tell your buddies. Oh no, this piece might be a little too sorry for the fish, or you know, they might just be needing a break. I guess the action slowed down. Before this, they were right on that thing. Actually, in reality, a fly rod would probably be money here. But you know, I don't own a fly rod. So it's like, okay, well, whatever. This piece might be, 'cause it's basically just like the head and the wings here. They might be wanting a full meal. The abdomen is usually the part that oozes all the juices. So they're like, oh, I'm missing the juice. It's in the negative juices. Oh. Oh man. That was a good hit too. Just wasn't really expecting it. Like, this bait is so light. It's crazy, you can't really get much distance. But you know, of course, for this little creek, you don't really need much distance. Oh. One bite. Right there. Oh, well, that was... Oh. What is this little contraption they got going right here in my reel? Oh, there we go. It's free. Shoot. I think that cast kind of messed my reel up. For real. They could also be getting wise to my tricks. Being like, okay, well, not gonna bite that. Might move and try a different spot. Oh, missed it. Ooh, who's this guy? I felt that would be the juice. Okay. Let's see here. Come on. Oh. They're hitting it like when I'm not expecting it, when I'm like setting up or just not ready. Let's see, is there a hole up here that I could try? Is this gonna do anything up here? Let's see, I wanna kinda like sneak down on this hole. That wasn't stealthy. Thank you for watching today's episode of Mountain Spring Outdoors. If you like my stuff, subscribe. Hit the little button. It's not hard at all. Like it too. Remember, watch the whole video. Also, give me good analytics and lots of watch hours. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.